Esteemed viewers, greetings. I am deeply honored to welcome everyone back to my creative channel. In this episode, I will undertake the fabrication of an exceptionally useful solar-powered pump. I invite you to observe the entire execution process. First, I found a broken pump in the storage room and proceeded to disassemble it to salvage the motor housing. Carefully inspected it using a resistance tester. Next, I repurposed 2 magnets from a broken speaker. Now, I use a FEV25 pipe, cut a 30 centimeter long section, and drill several small holes along its body. Next, I wrapped copper wire around the pipe to create an inductor coil. At this juncture, we will proceed to permanently join the coil-wound tube to the pump motor housing. Subsequently, we will proceed to integrate 2 permanent magnets for the purpose of establishing the requisite magnetic field necessary for the pump's operation. Subsequently, we will meticulously strip the surface coating, or lacquer, from the copper conductor in order to optimize its electrical conductivity and prepare it for the final connection. We'll proceed to wire the electrical system and establish the necessary power connections to the pump unit. concluding the process, we must conduct a final verification using the resistance meter, ohmmeter, and subsequently firmly secure the pump unit onto the wooden support beam. And finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. Subsequently, we will integrate the solar panel into the system, and following that, activate the unit to witness the pump in full operation. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.